Order, members. I therefore put the question. Oh, yes, before we get to the question, we will have the Chair, Budget and Appropriations Committee to reply. Yes.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. And I actually rise to agree with all the members who have had a contribution to make this afternoon. I agree with the members on the right side of the Speaker, and I also agree with the members on the left side of the Speaker. I agree with the Majority Leader as much as I...
Kindly, as I said, use your cards. I will go with your cards. If you have a point of order, I need to see on my screen.
Honorable Speaker, I agree with the Majority Leader, Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah, as much as I agree with the Minority Leader, Honorable Opio, Honorable Speaker. I agree with Honorable Osoro, as much as I agree with Honorable Junet.
Member for Suba North, what is out of order? Hold on, Honorable Dende.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I do apologize for the Chair of Budget, who is my chair. I don't want to interrupt him. But, Madam Speaker, I don't think it is in order for Honorable Osoro to be physically making sexually suggestive gestures in this House. He is pointing to his penis in this House while pointing at Honorable Fatuma. It is completely out of order. It is abhorrent. It is backward. Madam Speaker, it is not allowed in this House.
Order.
We don't even know whether he performs. What is he showing us here?
Order, Honorable Millie. Order, Honorable Millie. Honorable Majority Whip is not the one on the floor. If it is something out of order, it has to be something the Honorable Member for Kiharu is doing. So continue, Honorable Member for Kiharu.
Okay. Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker. No. Okay. Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Member for Suba North. I know you are never ashamed of your sexuality, okay, but I don't think we have gotten to that point. Honorable Millie. So let's allow Member for Kiharu to finish your reply, Honorable Member for Kiharu.
Speaker, I thank you very much. Honorable Speaker, I'll take very short time, so I request members, if it's possible, we can listen to each other. Honorable Speaker, I have listened to all the members in this House this afternoon, and I actually agree with all of them. I agree with the Majority Leader, Honorable Ichung'wah, at the same breath as I agree with Honorable Opio Andai, Honorable Speaker, who is my former chair in PAC. Honorable Speaker, I agree with Honorable Osoro, and also I agree with Honorable Junet, as much as I agree with Honorable Fatuma, as much as I agree with Honorable Mokoji and all the others. The reason for saying that, Honorable Speaker, there are some things that are without any doubt. That number one, this House supports devolution, as it was said by Honorable Junet. Just for the record purpose, ourselves on the right side, we support devolution as much as the right side, Honorable Speaker. This money goes to our counties, and we want our counties to develop. Honorable Speaker, we also have governors who are doing a good job, Honorable Speaker, including across the country, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, this is the only departure point, that the amount of money we are considering is limited. But even as such, Honorable Speaker, I agree with all the members, Honorable Speaker, that we need to give our counties more money, Honorable Speaker. And that is why the Budget and Appropriations Committee, actually in the budget policy statement, we went ahead Honorable Speaker, and added our county government Kenya shillings 4 billion in conditional grants. Honorable Speaker, the money that is already there, it was not touched, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, it is the same reason, Honorable Speaker, as was stated by Honorable Junet, as was stated by Honorable Fatuma, Honorable Speaker, that our counties need more money. That is the same reason, Honorable Speaker, we were able to increase the monies going to our counties horizontally from Kenya shillings 375 billion to 381 billion Kenya shillings. Honorable Speaker, even beyond the constitutional threshold of 15%, the current consideration is actually 24%, Honorable Speaker. And therefore we agree our counties need more money. It is the same way, Honorable Speaker, that we agree we need more money in GAF. We need more money to electricity. We need more money to the agricultural sector. We need more money to all the other sectors. We agree in that, Honorable Speaker. The only thing I beseech honorable members that we consider that when we are dealing with a static deficit of 2.9%, we are dealing with a closed envelope. In that closed envelope, Honorable Speaker, if you want to increase monies in the shareable revenue, Honorable Speaker, the equitable share, then something has to give way. And Honorable Speaker, the low-lying fruit across this debate, because it is not new, I want members to listen to me carefully, Honorable Speaker. If there are motions that we bring as budget committee, which we are almost indifferent, it is like this one. Whichever way the House votes, the budget committee is okay with it, Honorable Speaker. The only thing I want to beseech this House, then when we bring the estimates and you see some cuts in other areas, Honorable Speaker, will only be fulfilling your vote of today. So when we vote to increase money from 391 to 415, the budget committee is indifferent, Honorable Speaker, because you are your servants. But Honorable Speaker, where we target most as the government, as parliament, is where there has been increments. If you look at the budget policy statement, which areas had increments, Honorable Speaker? One area that had an increment, and therefore is a low-lying fruit, is 50 million shillings for electricity to every constituency. The second low-lying fruit is NGCDF, which we added 8 billion. The other, Honorable Speaker, is RMLF. That is why I request this House to vote nay, Honorable Speaker, to safeguard those votes, Honorable Speaker, and I seek to move.
Okay, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable members. I therefore put the question that the Senate amendments to the Division of Revenue Bill, National Bill number 14 of 2024, be now considered. As many as are of that opinion say aye. As many as are of a contrary opinion say nay. Nay. The nays have it. Next order.
No. Order number 11, motion ratification of the multilateral convention to implement tax treaty related measures to prevent base erosion and profit shifting MLI. Mover to reply.
The next order is already called. Take your seats. Honorable members, the next motion, there was a typo on the order paper. We'll have the mover reply. The chairperson, Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning. Honorable Kuria Kimani, are you in the house?
Honorable Speaker, I want to thank all the members that contributed on this robust conversation on the ratification of the multilateral convention to implement tax treaty-related measures to prevent base erosion and profit shifting. And Honorable Speaker, this is one of the avenues that we're looking forward. We really discourage repatriation of a lot of hard-earned incomes that goes to other countries through tax planning, base erosion, and profit shifting. I want to thank the members who contributed to this discussion that gave us very, very good insights on this particular multilateral tax treaties. And you're hoping that moving forward, therefore, Kenya now will not just be more marketable globally, Honorable Speaker, but also, and most importantly, that we're not going to erode the profits and the base for incomes that are generated in this country, Honorable Speaker. And with that, I beg to second.
Honorable members, I therefore put the question that this House adopts the report of the Departmental Committee on Finance and National Planning on its consideration of the multilateral convention to implement tax treaty-related measures to prevent base erosion and profit shifting, laid on the table of the House on Tuesday, 30th April 2024. Order, members. And pursuant to the provisions of Section 8(4) of the Treaty Making and Ratification Act 2012, approves the ratification of the multilateral convention to implement tax treaty-related measures to prevent base erosion and profit shifting, subject to reservations on Article 5, application of methods of elimination of double taxation, and Article 16, mutual agreement procedure. As many as are of that opinion say aye.
Aye.
As many as are of a contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it.
Forward.
Mr. Speaker.
Order, honorable members. Order. Take your seats, honorable members.